mistake me, I'm not here, I'm somewhere else. In a land where all is fine. In high def, I feel defined. I feel defined. Is this a lie, this happy place where I reside? Inside a little house, no fault, not even a mouse. I decide that this is mine. It's wired into my brain, I'm self-destructive, yeah, you cannot contain. Yes, I'm passionate, no, I'm not insane. I keep on going on, every other day is the same. Play, pause, work, pause, keep on, keeping on. It's raining somewhere else. It's raining somewhere else. Corridors stretch for 1,000 miles, poison fills these empty bars. We consume and will believe, or they take what is yours to keep. A lot is put upon us and not much is given back. Taxes on my sanity, and they say they're friends with me, but I think they're just my enemy.
Are they my enemy?
We know that we forget to check in with ourselves. Do you listen to the good in your heart, or do you let it fall apart?
Do you let it fall apart?
We know that we are way too hard on ourselves.
So just listen to these words from my heart.